This is a brief tutorial that will cover how to use the SC-XM3 External Memory Drive to copy banner safety controller configurations. The SC-XM3 drives can be used to quickly and easily deliver confirmed configurations to multiple controllers without having to connect a PC to each unit. The primary method for copying a configuration to an XM3 drive is to use the SC-XMP2 USB adapter to connect the drive to your PC and the safety configuration software. Once connected, the XM icon will become available in the software. Click the icon and click Write XM. Note that you can only write confirmed configurations to the XM3. If you have an SC26 or XS26 with a display and that controller has a confirmed configuration, you can copy it to the XM3 directly. Connect an XM3 to the controller's micro USB port. If the XM3 is blank, you will receive a fault message which can be bypassed by pressing either the Escape or OK buttons. Press the Escape button to enter the System menu, navigate to the Configuration Mode option and press OK. Enter the controller's pin and follow the prompts until you are given the option to write to XM. To copy a configuration to another controller, simply plug the drive into a new or factory default controller's micro USB port and the configuration will be automatically written to the unit. That covers the basics of using the SC-XM3 External Memory Drive to copy safety controller configurations to multiple units. For more information, visit bannerengineering.com.